Hi, let's see PYQs based on the preambles, preliminary questions. The first question, economic justice. Right. First question, economic justice. Economic justice is the one of the objective of Indian Constitution has been provided. Economic justice. This word is mentioned in the preamble, and economic justice also mentioned in the DPSP. So this is the option is correct. And the next question. One of the implications, the quality in society in the absence of. Quality in society. Quality in society in the absence of. Quality of the society, if there is no privileges, then the quality of society will be exist. So this is the option, is the correct one. The next third one. Minds of the makers of the Constitution of India reflect the which one of the following? So minds of the makers of the Constitution is preamble. Preamble is there in their mind of the Constitution makers. Fourth one. Which one of the following objectives is not embedded in the preamble? Preamble, which object is not there among this? The preamble, all these discussing about the liberty. Liberty, we know that there are 5 objectives. One is the freedom of liberty of thoughts, liberty of expression, liberty of belief, liberty of faith, and liberty of worship. Liberty of thought is there. Liberty of economic liberty, it's not there. So this is the wrong one because we have to find out the not mentioned. Liberty of expression is there. Liberty of belief is there. And the fifth question. One of the following reflect the nicest and appreciate relationship between the law and liberty. Relationship between the law and liberty. So the first option we see, if there are more laws, there is less liberty. It is not the best justice for this question. And second, if there are no laws, there is no liberty. This is the best suitable answer for this question. If there is a liberty, law have to be made by the people. This is not giving the complete justice. Laws are changed too often. Liberty is in danger. This is also not justice to this particular question. So the second option is if there are no laws, no liberty. The sixth question, in the context of polity, which of the following would you accept and most appropriate definition of liberty? So in the context of polity context, what is the definition of liberty? Let's see one by one. The protection against the tyranny of the political rule. This is not correct. Options of the restraint, not correct. Opportunity to do so whatever one's like. Liberty means the liberty is giving for the individuals. So that means the opportunity providing the individuals whatever one's like. The people who like, they want to do, we have to give them freedom and opportunities. This is the best option for this question. The next question, preamble is the Constitution of India. Preamble to the Constitution of India. The relationship and preamble and Constitution of India. So let's see how we can see. The part of the Constitution but has no legal right. It seems like something justice. Not a part of the Constitution and has no legal effective in there. In the 3 cases, the Berry cases and then Kesavananda cases and LIC cases. These cases is describing about that. Kesavananda and LIC cases is saying about that preamble is a part of Constitution or integral part of Constitution. So this option is ruled out. And the part of the Constitution has the same legal effective on the other parts. It is not legal effective because the preamble is not absolute, but it is qualified only. If in any case of violation of the preamble objectives, we should not go to the court. And the fourth option, a part of the Constitution but has no legal effective independently of the other parts. Preamble is not independently legal effective, but it is dependently legal effective, which means that if any violation on the fundamental right, DPSP, and fundamental duties, if it is there any related to these particular objectives of the mentioned in the preamble, so they can go to the court, that reasonable restrictions. So when it comes to the first option and fourth option, so if the fourth option is not there, first option is the best solution for this question, but the fourth option giving the more justice to this question to compare with the first option. Next question, let's see, it is a easy one. Adopted. Preamble is adopted when it is adopted 26th November 1949 is the preamble adopted. When it is came into force, again 26th January 1950. That came into force in 26th January 1950. Adaptation is on the 26th November 1949. The words added by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act. So we know that there is only one time preamble has been added so far. In that one time, that is the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976. So there are three words added. One is the socialist, secular and integrity. These three words added by the Constitution. Only one time preamble has been amended so far. So let's see one by one. Liberty, this is not added by that 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act. Integrity, this is added by that. Secular, this is also added by that. So republic, this is not added by that. And socialist, this is also added by that. So there are three: security, integrity and socialist. These liberty and republic, these are all the original, these are all the mentioned in the preamble, in the original preamble. The option, let's see that B, C and E. B, C and E. This is the best option. Democracy, superior virtue, lies in the fact of calls in activity. Democracy, superior virtue. So which means that democracy is the ultimate power. The power lies with the people. People can direct elected their representative directly or indirectly. That is the democratic republic. India is the democratic republic country. So let's see that what are the options available. Intelligence and character of the ordinary men and women. This is the best solution for this question. Just see the next question. Supreme Court judgment on the Kesananda Bharati case. There is the three cases happened in this. One is the Beriberi. Beriberi says that preamble is not part of the constitution. Kesananda Bharati says that it is a part of constitution, and LIC says that it is integral part of Indian constitution. So these are all, remember that the question related to preamble is a part of Indian constitution. So this is the best solution that is stated by the Supreme Court. Preamble is not part of the Indian constitution. It is judgment is given for the Beriberi case. Preamble is an integral part of the Indian constitution. This statement is given by the Supreme Court on the LIC case. Preamble is a key to Indian constitution. This is separate one that is not related to this question at all. And the next question, Palkiwala. Palkiwala, Indian jurist and constitutional expert. He describes about the preamble. What he describes about the preamble? Preamble is a key to Indian constitution. No, it is not given by him. This is given by him, Thakur Das. And second, preamble is the identity card. This is the correct. So Palkiwala, remember that Palkiwala is saying about that identity card of the Indian constitution. Preamble is the preface of the Indian constitution. No, preamble is the soul of the Indian constitution. This is given by the Hadayatullah. He is a former CJI. Next question, K.M. Munshi is a member of the drafting committee. He describes about the preamble. Let's see what he describes about the preamble. Is a key to the Indian constitution. This is said by the Thakur Das Bhargava. Preamble is the identity card. Just we know that the preamble is the identity card given by the Palkiwala. And the third option, the preamble, preface of the Indian constitution, and this is not correct. And the fourth one, the preamble is the political horoscope. So Munshi is describing about the Indian constitution. Indian constitution is a political horoscope. Let's see. Thank you.